Unlocking fertility, boost your chances with post-period intimacy. Unlocking fertility and increasing your chances of conception can be a significant goal for individuals or couples trying to become parents. One approach to boost your chances of getting pregnant is to have intercourse during your fertile window, which typically occurs after your period. Here's some information on this topic. Understanding the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle consists of several phases. After menstruation, your period, the body enters the follicular phase, where the ovaries prepare to release an egg. Ovulation occurs in the middle of the cycle, followed by the luteal phase. Ovulation and fertility. Ovulation is the release of a mature egg from the ovary, and it is the most fertile time in the menstrual cycle. It usually occurs around the middle of the cycle, but it can vary from person to person. Identifying your fertile window. To boost your chances of conception, it's important to identify your fertile window. This typically includes a few days before and after ovulation, as sperm can survive in the female reproductive tract for several days. Tracking ovulation. You can track ovulation using various methods, such as tracking your menstrual cycle, monitoring changes in cervical mucus, or using ovulation predictor kits, OPKs. These methods help you pinpoint the most fertile days. Having regular intercourse. To maximize your chances of getting pregnant, it's often recommended to have regular intercourse throughout your fertile window. This increases the likelihood of sperm meeting the egg. Optimal timing. Timing intercourse every 1 to 2 days during your fertile window is generally a good strategy. However, you don't need to have intercourse multiple times a day. Sperm can remain viable for several days, so consistent but not excessive intercourse is key. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A healthy lifestyle can also positively impact fertility. Maintain a balanced diet, engage in regular exercise, manage stress, and avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption. Seeking medical advice. If you've been trying to conceive for an extended period without success, it may be a good idea to consult a healthcare professional or a fertility specialist. They can provide guidance, perform fertility tests, and explore potential causes of infertility. It's important to remember that fertility can vary from person to person, and factors like age and underlying medical conditions can play a significant role. While timing intercourse during the fertile window is a valuable strategy, it's not a guarantee of pregnancy. If you have concerns or questions about fertility or conception, consider speaking with a healthcare provider for personalized advice and guidance.